Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to our channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the 15-minute chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold has shown good amount of upside yesterday as well. And gold is on bull run for the last 3 days. Okay. And after making a high of 443637, okay, 4436, right now gold is in consolidation, and we can see that gold is trading below 4380, 4400. Remember 4400, we have discussed in a previous videos as well. The 4400 is a key level because for a structural change, we needed gold to cross 4400. Gold crossed 4400. There is no doubt about it. But now we can see that gold is trading below 4400. Okay. And if gold manages to sustain above 4400, it's a good sign. But if gold fails, then obviously, okay, this move was temporary. Right now, okay, we do not have much clarity regarding the structural change because not much time market could survive. But right now, we can see that gold is trading below 4400. This is the current position. And I have taken a buy in the morning around 4382, to be honest. Okay, this is my buy price. Okay, and I'm expecting the market to recover. So on the chart of gold, right now, I see two good opportunities, okay, from the technical perspective. The first opportunity is buying around this area, 4380. Why 4380? Because if we zoom out the chart, then we can see the previous resistance should work as a support here. If it fails also, then we have the support around 4360. Okay, but I have already taken a buy. I'm expecting the market to recover. Okay, so let's wait and watch. So this was the first trading opportunity, okay, that I see on the chart of gold right now. Okay, where market should go up from here. After taking support around 4380 area, market should at least head towards 4400. After that, what market will do, nobody knows. But as of now, there is a chance the market will be taking support around 4380 area. In case it fails, okay, in case it fails, then we can look for the next support around 4365. Why 4365? Same logic. Okay, same logic. The previous, okay, the previous resistance will be working as support here. So 4365 is second support, okay, where you can look for a buy if this fails. Right now, I'm expecting the zone to work because I also have my buy position. Where is my stop loss? No, I do not have any stop loss as of now. Okay, but these are the two trading opportunities that I see on the chart of gold, okay, from the technical perspective. And if market goes up from here during the day, then obviously this another trading opportunity is buying above 4436. It's a breakout trade. So 4436 is another opportunity where you can look for a buy position, means buy at breakouts during the day. Okay, if market consolidates around this area, then obviously after the consolidation, there's a high chance that market will be going up from here. And overall, the market sentiment is also bullish. At least till tomorrow, the sentiment should remain bullish because tomorrow we have CPI. After CPI, things may change again. But as of now, okay, market is on the bullish side. So if market goes up from here, we can look for buy above 4436 as well. If you are a part of our WhatsApp group, then I have also mentioned one more thing in the morning, that during the day, okay, if you're a scalper, precisely if you're a scalper, you can look for a buy above 4422. Means if market consolidates around this area, then you can look for a buy above this zone as well. So when market will boom break the level 442122, you can enter and exit quickly. Do not expect a huge trade. Okay, these are minor levels, but yes, as a day trader, you can make some money. Similarly, okay, when market will be taking support around 44 uh 22 or 20 during the day. At pullback, same level should work as the new support. Means this will be the support, temporary support. If it happens, then around 442220 also, you can expect to make a 40 to 50 pips as well. So the major breakout level is 4436. Okay, but before that, if you're a scalper experienced trader, you can look for a breakout around 4421. Okay, 4421, 4422. Okay, see, and when market will be coming down, you can expect the same around 442220 to act as support as well. Means buying at pullback. Keep in mind, okay, this will only work. Okay, this will only work when the volume is low. In high volume market, these levels do not work because these are minor levels. Okay, but when the volume is not very high, volume जब market पे कम होता है, तो ऐसे छोटे छोटे लेवल पे काम कर जाते हैं. तो ब्रेकआउट, छोटा ब्रेकआउट आएगा, छोटा वहां पे पुल बैक अपॉर्चुनिटी बनेगा, सब होता है. So it all depends on the volume. Okay, so if volume is low, we can expect a small breakout, small pullback around 2022. Okay, but if volume is high, then obviously it will not work. So let's wait and watch. And yeah, we can see right now that market is trying to take support here. Fingers fingers crossed that market will take support. Okay, and we'll make some money here. And in case it fails, then let's wait. Watch 4365. Okay, let's wait and watch. And as we all know, no level is permanent. कोई level permanent नहीं होता. In case market surprises us suddenly, market drops suddenly, then obviously, okay, forget about the buys and you can go with the flow. Okay, because we need to keep in mind that our capital is limited and goal is full of surprises. Okay, we are just retail traders. We can just expect the market to behave, okay, in certain ways around certain levels. If it does, well and good, we can make some money. If it doesn't behave according to expectation, then obviously we can't help it, isn't it? So let's see. Okay, and risk management is the most important thing. Do not forget it. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Okay, and overall the market sentiment is bullish as of now till tomorrow. Okay, because you can see here, gold gains for third session. Inflation reports in focus. Gold climbs above 4400 as traders turn focus to US inflation. And if you look at the economic calendar, you can see today we have not much major news. Okay, but tomorrow is an important day. You can see core inflation, CPI, all are coming up tomorrow. So till tomorrow, we can expect the same market sentiment to dominate. Okay, so it's been 3 days. Gold is on a bull run. Let's wait and watch. And if anything crazy happens, you'll get an update in the WhatsApp group. Bye bye. Take care.